Hello everyone, this is part 3 for SAS Viya 6. So as we can see, we already have the demo 3.4a pulled up. And we're going to use the page 4 tab. So now we're going to view the delivery days by order type bar chart, as we can see right here. And we can see the roles that are presented for category, measure, and group, and the data type values. So now we're going to create a bubble plot. So we're going to go to Objects, Bubble Plot, and it's asking us to drag the bubble plot from the graphs group to the right side of the canvas. So now we're going to assign data. So for the group role, we're going to do customary hierarchy. For the x-axis, we're going to do days to delivery. And for the y-axis, we're going to do number of orders. For the size role, it's asking us to go from frequency to average profit. We're going to click close. And as we can see, it should resemble this. X-axis as days to delivery, Y as number of orders, size average profit, and group customer hierarchy. And this is what it should look like. And now we're going to click options. And in the X-axis options group, we're going to select fixed minimum. And for this, we're going to do 0. And now we're going to fix maximum and enter 5. And now we're going to double click the Internet Catalog Customers bubble. So we dive deeper into that. And now we're going to go to the Yes bubble. And now we're going to animate the bubble plot. So we're going back to Roles, Animation, and we're going to add order year. And now we can come down here and it'll play the animation.